Hello everyone, I'm here today to show my Sudoku PyGame that I made. Um, so, um, to start off, we have the constants, the window being made, the font, some of the uh, files that I'm importing. Let's see, let me switch this real quick. Um, this loads the record, this saves the record. So this call makes an API call to a server that has Sudoku boards with easy, medium, and hard difficulty. So right here, this helps me know what is being pulled. And this right now creates the board, fetches the data, creates the board, and finds the solution. So this right here sets the difficulty. So we can choose which difficulty we're going to use, and this finds the records for the user. And then this sets it, draws the hearts, and all that fun stuff. So it will basically find a board until the difficulty is correct. So right here, if we look, this board right here that was pulled is a hard board. Um, so that starts the timer. So when you start, when it finds it, it starts the timer, and there's 3 lives. And when you click on it, it will be highlighted, the grid will be highlighted blue for what you can click. And then the number will turn red when it is a wrong number. And then when you solve it, it will reset the grid, and you can go back and make a difficulty selection when needed. So this handles mouse clicking, this handles the keyboard while you click, and then this draws the grid as needed and the timer. And then if the board is complete, it will return you back to the beginning and all the fun stuff. So let me show y'all. So right here you can see that my easy best time is 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and I haven't completed a medium or hard board. So if I click one, you can see behind it that it's looking for an easy board. Sadly, there wasn't a way to just search easy for the boards. So here we go. Here's an easy board that we found with the API. So right here, it's obviously 3. And then we can just continue to go on through, uh, clicking the boxes, putting the numbers. There's only 1 7 not there. Let's see if I can find any more real quick. Let's see, that's all the 2s. 1. Let's see. That one goes here. 9. I need to put 9 here. Let's see, 3, 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, and then 3 can go here. 4, 5, and then 6 goes here. 8 goes here. 1, of those. 2, 3, 4. We go on one of these 2, 5, 6. 6 can only go down here. And 4 can only go here, so 1 can go here. Sweet. So this is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 for this one. Let's see. 4 can go here. 5, 6. Let's see. 7 and then 8 can go here. And then 6. 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as you can see, it's pretty easy, the easy board. So like if you make a mistake, let's say, so 8 is supposed to go here. So if I put 6, that's going to go red. Sadly, right now the lives don't work. So you can just go straight through and find what the number is without being penalized. So right now that's one of the things I gotta fix. But let me solve the board real quick. Let me do this 1, 2. Let's see, 3. Ooh, 3 is 1. Okay, 4. 4 is also hard because of where we have stuff. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 has to go in one of these 2. And then there's 9. And then we'll put 1 there, 1 there. 4 goes there, and 4 also goes there. Let's see, 2. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. 4. 4 goes there. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9 goes there, so that means 3 goes there. 5, 6. And then 9. Oh, looks like there's an error there. But what it would do is it would just bring you back to here. So that's my puzzle. I guess I gotta fix that now too. So thank you for watching. Have a good one.